Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E10 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So in a nutshell, the E10 error is a door lock issue. It's sensing that there's some kind of jam in there in the lock. So this could be happening for one of two reasons. Like with almost all errors, the reason that happening is one of two, is that they're sensing a problem. So there could be a problem there could be that actual problem, or the sensors and the control board could be acting funny and thinking there's a problem when there's not. So if it is a sensor or a control board or even a wiring problem, you're probably going to need to call a technician. But it also could be that there's actually a jam with the door, and that can happen when the number one reason that can happen is if lint or gunk and stuff like that gets up in this in the door locking mechanism or on the latch, then it can jam and get sticky in there, and then it's not working properly, and then you'll get this error. So the number one thing to do if you're getting this error is to just check the whole door locking mechanism and make sure it's clean, make sure there's no like grease on it, make sure there's no lint jammed up in there. And if everything's clean and just looks like it's working properly, then it's probably something with the wiring or the control board or the sensors and stuff like that. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.